Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I did these really pretty nails. I actually did these on my sister. These were actually her high school graduation nails, and yeah, I'm just really excited to show you guys how I did them. So I'm starting off just by pushing back her cuticles, and now I am taking my 180 grit sanding band and my Melody Susie Scarlet Gel, and I'm just lightly removing the shine off of her natural nails. And I do have my drill at like the lowest speed I can possibly get it, so it's probably like around 3000 rpms. Now I'm using this Pana ceramic cuticle bit, and I'm just going around the cuticle area just to get rid of any cuticle that is still on the nail plate. And I do have my drill on reverse. I just feel like this works a lot better for me. Now I am taking my cuticle nippers and I'm just cutting off any hanging cuticle. Now I'm taking my JC Beauty Concepts dehydrator and I'm just applying one coat of this onto her natural nails. This is going to remove any excess oil, and now I'm going to be priming her nails with the Not Polished Triple X Bond Primer. This thing is so good. If you guys have any trouble with lifting or anything, I highly recommend you guys to try this out. Now I'm going to be applying the Macart Prep in 1 gel onto her natural nails. This is a nail glue, a base coat, and also slip solution, so you can use it as any of those. I am going to be using this as a nail glue, so I'm just applying a thin coat of this onto all of her nails, and then I'm going to be curing this in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I am etching the inside of the full cover nails that I'm going to be using. These are the BT Art Box extra long square full cover nails, and I'm just taking my sanding band and I'm just removing the shine from the inside of the nail. That way the gel adheres a lot better onto there. Now I'm applying some of that nail glue onto the inside of the nail, and I am applying a little bit more towards the cuticle area, since when I do apply it onto the nail, I do start from the cuticle area and then I just press the nail down very lightly, and that just spreads the gel a lot better and evenly. And then I just take my little lamp and I just cure the nail on, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do this onto all of the nails. So this is how the nails look like right after application, and I did go ahead and cure them in the big lamp for 60 seconds. Now I am taking my nail tip cutters and I'm just cutting down the nails to her desired length. Now I'm using the Pana 5-in-1 drill bit in a fine grit, and I'm just filing around the cuticle area just to seal that in, and also to get rid of any gel that might have spilled out. Now I'm going to shape up her nails with a 100 grit nail file. Now I'm using this Macar buffer and I'm just removing the shine off of her nails. So I did go ahead and clean off her nails off camera, and now I'm coming back in with the Macar Prep and 1 glue gel or whatever it's called, and I am applying a thin layer of this onto the nails. I'm using this as a base coat now, so yeah, I'm just going to be applying a layer of this and then I'm going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So for the nude color that I used, I mixed in a few gel polishes. I mixed the Nail Addict Anyone But You nail polish in 102 and M122, and the Vanillisa Nude Pink, and the Beatles A732, which is like a milky white. And I mixed all of those colors together to create this nude. And I am going to be applying this onto all of the nails, and then I'm going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. For the green color, I mixed the not polished gel polish in M125 and their white gel polish. I am going to be creating an ombre, and I'm just using a regular makeup wedge sponge, and I am applying both the nude and the green gel polishes, and in the middle where they meet, I do blend those colors in. That way it creates a nicer blend once I apply it onto the nail. So I'm just going to dab it onto the nail, and once I'm happy with that, I'm going to be taking some clear acrylic powder and I'm going to be pouring that onto the wet gel, and then I will be curing that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So what this does is it gets rid of like all the little bubbles that the sponge creates, and it just creates like a seamless blend. I saw this hack I think on TikTok, and they did it a little bit differently. They applied the gel onto the nail and then they went in with the sponge and then they poured the powder, but I just did it this way. I feel like this is a better way for me. So yeah, so after it came out of the lamp, I dusted it off and then I went in with my second layer, but I did not apply any more acrylic after the first time. So yeah, I went in with like 3 layers of the gel polish and that was it. It is a little bit textured, but once you apply the top coat, it like all smooths out. Now I am creating a French tip, but just like the outline of the smile line, and then I'm going to be doing some little swirls, and I am going to be doing this on the ring finger and the index finger. Now I'm using the Beetles gel polish in A602, and I'm just doing some little swirls with this as well. And by the way, the brush that I'm using, I don't know the exact name of it, but I will definitely have a link down below. I did get this off of Amazon, so if it's still available, I will link it down below. So moving on, I'm going to be applying tons of bling. So I'm using some regular AB Swarovski crystals and some green opal ones and some clear ones, and also some little planet charms and some white pearls, and also some regular AB rhinestone shapes. The glue that I'm using is the Macart rhinestone glue, and this one comes like in a little tube with a brush, and I really like this one a lot better than the squeeze tube. Squeeze tube is just so hard to get out, but yeah, I'm just going to be applying some bling onto all of the nails. Like I said earlier in the video, these were her graduation nails, so we just wanted to go all out and just like super flashy and stuff, and she was like definitely like shining on her graduation. We even put like tinsels in her hair, and it was just so cute. And since I'm talking about her, I do want to give her a shout out because she did start selling necklaces just a few weeks ago on Etsy. Her Etsy name is Honeybee, and she makes some really cute necklaces, beaded necklaces and stuff like that. She can also make you guys some custom ones, so if you guys are interested, please check her Etsy out. It would mean a ton to both of us. If you guys would like to show her some support, you guys can also follow her on Instagram and on TikTok. Her username is at honey.v. So yeah, make sure to go follow her and show her some support. I will have all her socials and everything linked down below in the description, along with all the products that I'm using in this video. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and bling out the rest of her nails, and then I will be right back. Now I'm going to top coat her nails with the not polished glossette top coat, and once I'm done top coating, I will cure it in the lamp for 90 seconds. So this is the final result. The nails turned out so pretty. I love them so much. Let me know what you guys think about them down in the comments. Don't forget to check out her Etsy shop and her Instagram and her TikTok. They will all be linked down in the description, along with all the products that I used in today's video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one.